are here again to react on a new video. This video is all about the attack that they are still going on, according to what Chinasa made his post, where he called people, their members, to come out and unleash the attack on Biafrans and Biafran Prime Minister and Biafran government in exile. So this attack is what people are now, their members are now carrying out on social media. They're using every mechanism. But we'll be looking into it, and we'll be looking into it and into that, and debunk some of them and allow some of them to fly, so that people will see how foolish they can be. So yesterday we also made a video about the attack, of course, in our second platform, in our second channel. In case if you have not subscribed to that channel, please subscribe to Kai Report News. That is where we are streaming live every now and then. So please subscribe, follow us there. It's very, very important. And make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever we come live, you will see the video. You see our post and rest of them. So I want to use this opportunity to encourage you to like this video, because some of you just watch and go. It's not good at all. Click on the like button so that as they are pushing the attack, we'll be pushing the debunk message, of course, and this position that come with it, because they are not prepared to attack the truth. When you attack the truth will always surface to expose your lies. You understand? So this is what we need to do, and the only thing you need to do is to like the video, subscribe if you are new, and share the video. It is a way to let other people that may fall victim of their propaganda and lies to be delivered and be rescued. Now, this video, we have seen a video like this before. You are going to listen to this guy, that the person that is behind this video that you're watching. I will allow his voice to come out. I'll just pause it so that I will tell you what the video is all about. Few months ago, we saw Methuselah in Imo State. He's traveled. Some people say that he was deported. I don't know the content of his travel, but that's not the issue here. On the video that one of the video he made in Biafra land in Imo State precisely, he said that the sit at home is not, nobody is sitting at home, that only the gullible people, that in fact that he's in market somewhere in Imo State and the rest of them. He was making that propaganda video thinking that he's doing the right thing. But he failed to understand that Biafrans are not foolish. So I told us that video, when I debunked it, I made it clear that some of the things, the tactics that he used is he will go to market and make a video, like Monday sit at home in Biafra land, right? So he will go there probably maybe Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, not Monday or Sunday. Then he will now keep the video and post it on Monday, so that it will look like that video was made on Monday. So the same thing happened here, and I will tell you why. These guys that made the video said that he come from Imo State, and the video, this picture you are seeing now, this market you are seeing now, according to him, is in Ebonyi State. He says it's Simon Ekpa's village. Remember, somebody who claimed that this place is Simon Ekpa's village is from the group of the people that are busy looking for Simon Ekpa's village. Does it make any sense to you? The answer is no, of course. How can you tell me that you made a video in Simon Ekpa's village, but your boss, I mean your guy at top, now watching in Nigeria, your guy at top is busy looking for who Simon Ekpa is, who is his family members, where did he come from, who is behind his family member, anything at all that relates to him. So he claimed that this place is a Simon Ekpa's market, and this is his video and all that. This video is from his market and all that, and people knows that is not true, of course, because if it's Simon Ekpa's village, they will not be calling for where did he come from and rest of them. Now, I'm going to allow him to say something, but before then, like I said, like this video, click on the like button, share it, subscribe if you are new. Don't ignore this, because it's very, very important that you do so. And note that he claimed that he's from Imo State, and he traveled all the way from Imo State to Ebonyi State to prove that Ebonyi State No, not some, because not Ebonyi State, because if you say Ebonyi State, it sounds like the whole entire Ebonyi. According to, I want to quote him right. He says it's Simon Ekpa's village. So he traveled from Imo State to Simon Ekpa's village in Ebonyi State, according to him. And this is what he witnessed on Monday in his own word. And he claims that you will still hear him saying that he is traveling back. So if you are traveling back, then where is this at home that you're talking about? It simply means that nobody is sitting at home. That is to tell you that he shot this video maybe other days, not Monday. Let's listen to him because it's very, very important to do so. Let me take it. So let me take it back from the beginning. Listen.
No creature video time. Gawo nchigari na mkpụrụ obi nnu. Bacha miji isi ma ya mfuta magawa. No creature video. No creature video time. Gawo nchigari na mkpụrụ obi nnu.
Neighbor Nabo,
8th of October.
He is now coughing himself.
Besamon
Ekpa. Ahia make the 20.
I don't know where. All these. I don't know Ebonyi State. So now when I hear as seek national natural struggle. Now my
So he's actually against struggle, not sit at home. Una struggle, meaning that he's totally against struggle. He's totally against freedom. He's totally against Biafra. So just be picking the point, because so I don't want us to behave like them, that we just listen without, reasoning, without going deeper to understand the intention and what the motive of the video and what the person believe on. In DOS and this IPOB, they have one thing in common. They don't believe in one thing. All of them, this is just a group of different people coming together to stop Biafra movement. Not that they agreed on one thing. Some of them believe that DOS is the right thing, best thing to do. Some of them believe that let us use this DOS to clamp to something. Some of them believe that somehow this DOS and the IPOB will metaphors to political party. This is their mentality, and there's no way you can bring all this thing together and say that they are one. Listen, he said, struggle. You are going to hear him saying struggle. Yes, struggle, something like that. Let me allow him to say that. You just be patient.
Charian. Oh yes, na beha. Ewuro obara. Oga meta. Mana. Na beha baru. You destroy your village. Destroy your village. Chelo wo. Onwe ji na in fact. I'm direct tell me that way. Onwe ji na me. Ana me Ebonyi State. Ahela fusike na visit at home. Nyono. Ndolo. Nyono.
Kanje Bamoto Nawa. He's going back to Imo State, and he claimed that this day is sit at home in Imo State, but in Ebonyi State in Samuel Ekpa's village, in Samuel Ekpa's family, in Samuel Ekpa's household. There is no sister. That's what he's trying to tell you here. This is to tell you that he traveled to this place probably on Friday, Saturday, on Sunday, and he made video ahead to claim that it is Monday. I'm not saying that some people are not. Some people are doing strong head. Some are sitting at home willingly. Even non-Biafrans like wounded civilian. In his recent video where he exposed his how many years lies, he exposed himself just in a 4 minutes to 5 minutes video by saying that these people are sitting at home willingly, that nobody forcing them. After saying that people are forcing them to sit at home is being forced by someone and all that. If somebody like wounded civilian can change and say the truth, that means all of you will still go back to square one to face the reality that nobody is forcing anything and sit at home. Our Biafrans, grieved Biafrans, decided to use this civil disobedience to prove that they are not satisfied, they are not happy with everything going on in that part of the world. Now listen to him, because I would like him to finish what he wants to say.
Earlier the better, no chagare. Earlier the better for you people. Onye ọbụla gwa onwe ya eziokwu. Onye ọbụla gwa onwe ya eziokwu. Can this thing happen to Afakata? Ori ọmụmụ. Ori nempi. Olutan. No hụrụ everywhere is the lively. Everywhere the lively. Mana. Na-eme ofuma. Name Hofma, none of Sumunen, the name of struggle Jebunno,
That is all the fact. You don't lay curse on people. The curse is going back to you in a millionfold. So my people, thank you so much for watching, and please, like I said, like the video, comment and share it. God bless you. We are going to come back again, of course. Always know that your support, we don't take it for granted. And please subscribe to my backup channel, Kai Report News. Maybe the name is going to maybe change in future, but for now it's Kai Report News. We are growing that platform, and I want to be part of the people that follow us on that platform at this early stage. God bless you, and see you again on our next one. Bye bye for now. Take care.
Struggle ye bunno, all on that area. Mr. Noble Satano, I hold this video. Now, 28th of October 2024. I'm one of the villages I'm on Ebony State. I'm from Hahahaha, Jeffrey Henneman over there. I don't know 96 and Jemaj, Yakahun, Ebakita, and if you're Henneman, if you were the lively, I hear those carry everything. So, Agazen, when you're telling me your money, when you get money here, you have for all here. When I got Parenza put the lawyer come watching you also. You are the last word. Thank you. All of them want out the Remenano, to Banan George or Romanano. Can we try destroy your Lutan? The Banayan doesn't know destroy your Lutan. Kabehasi, Guenas was. Bye bye. Monani, over at you.